boys and girls, Ms. Vitela here with your instructional support from home video for 7th grade reading. This video is for reviewing the characteristics of informational text for your article, Learning Rewires the Brain. In this passage, you will learn about how brain cells undergo physical changes and how it helps us retain knowledge. Let's review the genre characteristics. When authors write informational texts, they use a format to present their information to the readers, you. They start off with the title. The title identifies the topic of the article. You will notice that when the information is written, it is presented in paragraph format. The authors use paragraphs to relay their information. Each paragraph is designed the same way. They will all have a main idea. The main idea is a statement that identifies the main point of the topic. In class, we use a hashtag strategy to identify the point of the paragraph. Next, they include supporting details. These sentences provide support and additional information for the main idea. So even though the paragraphs may seem really long, just remember that each one is designed the same way. One main idea and 3 to 5 supporting details. Be sure to use a hashtag for each paragraph as you read. Let's talk about text features and graphic elements. These elements help readers understand nonfiction texts and make it more interesting. Authors include pictures with captions, graphs, charts, and diagrams to help readers visualize something being described within the text. Headings, subheadings, bold, colored, italics, print are used to separate the text or to draw your attention to something important. Next, I want to talk about organizational patterns. Okay. Authors use these text structures, description, compare contrast, sequence, problem solution, and cause and effect, to provide focus and direction on the information they present. As a reader, you want to identify the organizational patterns because it helps you understand the text better. Be sure to look out for the signal words and clues. When you write a summary for informational text, you want to make sure that you use your hashtags to help you remember what each paragraph was about. When you write the summary, it must be in your own words. Make sure that you identify the main idea and at least 3 to 5 supporting details. In order to write your summary, boys and girls, remember you must use paragraph format. Just like your informational text is set up, 1 main idea, 3 supporting details, your summary should be in your own words following the same format. Main idea and 3 to 5 supporting details, using complete sentences. Today I borrowed images from Ms. Oodle's class, and that was a text structure diagram because my anchor charts are in the classroom. Alright, boys and girls, well, I hope you guys can find this video helpful as you read or you reread your passage, Learning Rewires the Brain. See you soon.